Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can create a very pretty, expensive looking elegant makeup look. So without further ado, let's go right into the video. Let's start with prepping our skin. I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Primer. So yeah, prepping your face before makeup is very important if you want your makeup to stay on your face for a longer period of time without it being cakey. For example, before foundation, I'm gonna be doing some color correcting using this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I'm just gonna apply wherever I feel like I need some coverage. Also covering some of the redness that I have around my mouth area as well. This concealer is like 1 or 2 shades darker than my skin tone, so if you also have like a darker shade of concealer, you can use this as a color corrector and it will work very well. It's an amazing full coverage concealer, I really love it. So it covers all of your blemishes and acne marks that appear on your skin. Now I'm gonna be trying my new foundation that I got. This one is from Tier. This one is their Aura Cushion. So I really want to try it out. I literally just received it like 2 hours ago before making this video. So this is going to be my first impressions of trying this cushion foundation. So let's see how it wears on my skin. I don't even know the shade is gonna be right for my skin tone. It's 23 and Sand. Okay, the shade is exact match. Okay, so this doesn't have a lot of coverage, but it does have like a semi sheer to kind of like a medium coverage. This is the before, you can see, and then this is the after. Wow, I'm really loving this foundation. I'm very impressed because look at the glow, guys. It gives me this glass-like glow, like how the K-pop idol skin like glows. Like this is giving me exactly that. I am so impressed about this. I'm so excited to use this in my upcoming videos. Moving on, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. As you can see, guys, I have removed the little like a sponge that it comes with, so it's more easier to use this product because in that sponge a lot of your products literally get wasted. So I just removed it and I use it with a brush. So I'm just gonna apply some on my under eyes. Now I'm just gonna blend it all out. Now I'm gonna be using this contour from e.l.f. I'm just using a 4-dot technique that I showed you guys in previous video. It's a very good technique to use if you have a rounder face. It's gonna just enhance your round face more. Always kind of like blend your contour up and towards your brows like this, so that it looks like natural. Like that, our nose contouring is done. Now with the cream blush, I'm gonna be using this one from Kiro. This is a very pretty, like a peachy pink color. I'm gonna take it on my blush and then apply it. Really love the color of this blush. I think it looks very fresh and pretty on my skin. I always take my blush right on my forehead as well. And this one is a matte blush. I'm also just gonna apply some on my tip of my nose as well. I'm gonna be setting everything using a powder, and I'm gonna be using the K-Beauty HD Loose Powder. Always take your powder on the back of your hands like that and then apply this. So it gives that flawless, seamless look. Let's start with the brows. I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Instant Brow Pencil. I'm just gonna lightly just fill in some gaps that I have. Really love the formulation of this brow pencil, and I'm just gonna brush them through my brows. Now moving on to eyes, I'm gonna be using this Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is literally one of my favorite palettes. I literally use this palette in every single occasion, and this palette never disappoints me. The shades are super blendable, the shimmers are super buttery and smooth. Just love this palette. Literally, I'm using this in every single video as well because this is how much I love it, and I really love these shades specifically. And these shimmers and these glitters in here are ultra glittery and ultra shiny. I'm gonna do a very like a taupey look today, so I'm gonna be using this shade called Radiate right here. So I'm just gonna like run it all over my lids and also on my crease just to create that perfect base. I'm gonna do the same on my other eyes as well. And I'm running it on my lower lash line as well. Now I'm taking this shade called Precious. It's a cool toned gray shade, and I'm gonna use this right on my crease on the outer corners. I'm just gonna do the same on the other side, and also I'm gonna run it on my outer corners as well of my lower lash line. I'm just taking a little bit like a fluffier brush, and I'm gonna just blend everything together so it looks seamless. Even if you're a beginner, I will advise you to invest a little bit more in expensive eyeshadows because they are super easy to blend. Don't even need a lot of pressure and a lot of like time to blend these shadows out because they will blend literally itself. Now I'm gonna taking this shimmer shade called Abundance. I'm gonna take it with a fluffier brush, and I'm just gonna like focus it on outwards like so. It's a little bit more like a mauve gray kind of a color. Then I'm gonna be taking this shade called Blissful. Guys, look at the glitter. Oh my god. Love this glitter. This is like one of my most favorite glitters of this palette. Look at that, guys. The eyes are looking so glistening and so beautiful. I'm actually gonna apply a little bit of eyeliner. For that, I'm gonna be using this NYX Epic Ink Liner. This liner has this very like thin tip, so it's super easy to apply eyeliner using this. So I'm just gonna lay it. Guys, now for the lashes, I'm gonna applying these lash clusters. I'm gonna come after applying the lashes. Now the lashes are done. Now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara. I'm gonna carefully apply this on my lower lashes. Moving on to our lips, I'm gonna be using this lip liner from K Beauty. Formulation is amazing. It is transfer proof as well. I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Cream Glide Lip Liner. It's like a very beautiful mauve shade, so I'm just gonna use this on top of the Hype lip liner that I used. This one is super creamy and it doesn't really set on your lips, but I really love the formulation of this. Now I'm just cleaning up the edges. Now for a little bit of gloss, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil. Now the last step and the final step is going to be adding some glow onto our face. So for that, I'm gonna be using this Nude Sticks. It's the Nudies Glow Highlighter. It's in the shade Ice Ice Baby. So I'm gonna take this on the back from my finger, and I'm just gonna lightly tap it up on my cheekbone like so, on my nose as well, and also on my bridge of my nose like so. Since it gives this beautiful dewy glow to your face. Love that. Now for the finishing step, I'm gonna be using this NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop Won't Stop Setting Powder. This powder is literally worth every single penny. It blurs out your skin and makes your face look flawless and airbrushed. Okay, this is the final look. I hope you like it, and I really think it's looking super beautiful with this beautiful glittery eyes. Like, I love the eyes. They're looking so beautiful and super glistening today. Really love it. And also the lip is turned out so pretty as well. If you want to see more such videos, subscribe my channel and like this video. I'm gonna be seeing you in the next one. Until that, bye bye.